Hello everyone. Yeah, welcome to the second session of this Java 8 series. In this session, in the last session, what we have seen how actually I can the concept of the Java 8 world. Actually Java 8 features, Lambda expressions, functional interfaces. So we have seen the idea. We have seen the basic idea of how we can write. We can convert a method that is implemented in traditional Java 7 program to a Lambda expression. And also we have seen what is the advantage of functional programming and functional interface. Now, now in this video, we'll be seeing that how actually I can write a Lambda expression and assign to a functional interface. As I told, so every Lambda expression can be assigned to a functional interface. Okay. Now, in the last video, we have taken an example and we have how we have written in the traditional before Java 8 how we used to write like an interface. First, I declare an interface. In that interface, I have written a method, and this is an abstract method, and actually then I have implemented a method in this interface. So why have declared only one method? Because functional interface is linked only to one method only. Okay, and always Lambda expression always takes functional interface as a result. Okay, and so this method one is a single method, a single abstract method that is declared in this functional interface, and then in I have written a class that implements this interface, and I have implemented this method. Okay, and I have created a main method. I have created an object of the implementation class and assigned to that interface and call that method. I got this result. Now this is a traditional way. Okay, so people who actually has worked tremendously in Java before Java 8, so this is an actually very cakewalk to them. Okay, because these type of programming style. Okay, now we will be seeing how we can write these two, or how we can convert this to a Lambda expression and assign to a functional interface. Okay, now according to Lambda expression, what is a Lambda expression? We have seen a Lambda expression is, we have seen here, right? So this is a Lambda expression, and this Lambda expression can be assigned to a functional interface. So this is what we have seen in the last video. Now in this example, what is functional interface? So this is my interface is a functional interface. My interface is a functional interface. Now, now what I will do is in this Lambda expression, now what I'll do is first I will convert. So first I'll convert this method to a Lambda expression. That means I'll remove the method name, I will remove the return type, I will remove the access specifier. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just write like this. So because this method doesn't take any arguments, and I have removed the method name, return type, and also the access specifier, access modifier. Now if you see in this implementation class, what is the I have written, this logic I have written. So I'll put the same logic here. I'll put a Lambda expression symbol, and then I will write the logic. What is the logic? This is the logic. This is the logic. Okay. Now see, it is throwing some error because always a Lambda expression should be assigned to a variable. So here, what is a variable? Always it is a functional interface. So a Lambda expression should be assigned always to a functional interface. So what is a functional interface? This is my functional interface, right? So I'm just assigning here. Okay, and there should be always a semicolon here. Okay, now you see, in your this I'll comment this because this is not required now. Okay, okay, I'll just say this. Okay, now you see, this is my functional interface, and I am assigning this Lambda expression to a functional interface. Okay, since it is a one line, even I don't need brace also, right? I no need brace also. I can make this as one line only. That's all. See, and now what I'll do is, this is how actually a Lambda expression is assigned to a functional interface. Now, in order to execute this Lambda expression, so always I have to call the method, the abstract method that is present in this functional interface. So what is the abstract method that is present in the function interface? Which is called method one. That's all. Now, if I call this method, automatically the lambda expression, the logic that is present in the lambda expression gets executed. That's all. Now, see, I'll just remove this. I'll run this. I'll run this program. See, in method 2. So that means what I'm doing, I'm assigning the lambda expression to a function interface. And in order to execute that lambda expression, I have to call the abstract method that is present in the function interface. Always function interface will have only one abstract method. So I have to call that particular abstract method of that function interface. Thereby the lambda expression gets executed. See how actually, see if you can understand clearly, you'll be knowing the simplicity of this lambda expression. And see, my code has been reduced to 2 lines. I don't require this class also. This implementation class which I am implementing, I don't require. All this implemented class I got in the lambda expression itself. Okay, I'm deleting this class. Okay, I'm deleting this. Sorry. Okay, I'm deleting. See, now my program has become very simple. I have one function interface, and to implement that function interface, I always write a lambda expression. I don't require a separate class again. Okay, now see how simple it has become. Okay, now let us assume this function interface takes integer as a return type, and say 2 arguments int y. Let us take like this. Okay, this is a functional interface. This is a method that is present in the function interface. I'm changing the signature. Automatically lambda expression will throw an error. Now what I'll do is, now first I will convert this to lambda expression. That means I will remove the method name, I will remove the data return type, and I will remove the access specifier. Now what I'll do, I'll just say int x comma int y. Okay, now I have to write the logic. What is the logic? Now I will write return x plus y sum. I have to calculate the sum. Okay, and always I have to assign this to a function interface. So what I'll do, I'll assign this to a function interface. Okay, I'll assign this to function interface. Okay, now I need not have brace also because it's a one-line code. But your return will expect brace. That is very important. You have to be careful. Return will expect brace. So whenever you're returning some value, it will expect some braces. Okay, now you have to put like this. Now my inf is equal to int x comma int y. So if the compiler is able to infer that these are int data types, because I'm adding, even I can remove the data types also here. Even I can remove the data types. Now if I see here my inf, to execute this I have to call the function method of that function interface in order to execute this. So I'll pass some arguments 3 comma 4. So this will return some integer, right? So int sum. So I'm just printing the sum. I'm printing the sum. Okay, now I'm actually I'll remove this commented code. Now I'm running this program now. See, sum is 7. So sum 7, 3 plus 4. See, with this lambda expression, see how it has become very simple. Very simple. See, my code has become very lightweight now. Very lightweight. Only thing is, you should know how to convert the method signature to the lambda expression. That's all. Everything will be done. Okay. So this is how actually uh, 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 very simple. Lambda expression. So you can have a lambda expression that can be assigned to a function interface, and from calling that method of that function interface, you will get the lambda expression gets executed. Okay. So we'll be seeing some more examples in another video. Yeah, keep watching these videos, and please subscribe to my channel if you like this.